here at DeLand Showcase 2017, having a check on the AirCam. There's their sign with their very appropriate checkered flag tablecloth. This company is from Sebring, Florida. Came up here to DeLand to promote their aircraft, one of them my favorite of all aircraft. I've just got a real special place in my heart for this AirCam. This is not a light sport aircraft, of course. I think you all know that because it's got those two Rotax engines on it back there. And that gives this thing some pretty amazing performance. That makes for some very interesting flying capabilities. You can take this aircraft down so low and fly so safely. It's just quite amazing. They've got dual 912 IS Rotax engines on this aircraft here, and that's 100 horsepower each, so that's 200 horsepower on this aircraft. I want to observe for you the great big tail on this thing. This gives this aircraft some very nice flying performance. The proprietor of this company, Phil Lockwood, and the designer of this airplane with a team of engineers, has always emphasized that big tails are good for flight characteristics, and he's certainly right about that. I didn't realize it was such a uniform rule, but it is indeed. Now you notice, again, with the morning dew here at DeLand on the canopy, it has this whole new enclosure now, front to rear, both seats. Now the front seat was always great with its summer windscreen. In fact, I kind of prefer it that way. But if you're in a cold climate or someplace where you need some extra protection from the elements, here it is. The back seat was always a little windy. So now, as you see here, this has got an opening for the front door and one for the back door, and the whole canopy lifts up. So it makes for a very easy entry and exit of this aircraft. But here it is, the AirCam, seen here at DeLand Showcase 2017. I'm Dan Johnson reporting. Sure glad you're here with us.